Hi, I'm William Grafton. I'm a Maryland attorney with over 15 years experience helping people solve their debt problems. Today we're going to discuss the different chapters of bankruptcy. If you have any questions at all about this video or about the content that we're going to discuss, please feel free to give our office a call. You can reach us directly at 410-870-9315. So most people already know that there's a chapter called Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Most people, if you watch the news, have heard about Chapter 11 with Sears and Toys R Us recently. And a lot of people know that there's a chapter called Chapter 13. There are a couple of others which have very little bearing for most people. They're Chapter 9, Chapter 12, and Chapter 15. Now, I'm only going to briefly discuss those just to tell you why they don't apply to you. Chapter 9 only applies to municipalities. Chapter 12 only applies if you're a farmer. And Chapter 15 only applies if you're a foreign entity. So, as you can see, they probably are not going to apply to the casual viewer. What does apply? Chapter 7. Chapter 7 is the most common form of bankruptcy. Most of my clients, when they come to see me, are looking to file Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Why? Because it's the quickest, easiest way to liquidate your debt, to wipe it out. Chapter 11 is reserved for generally businesses, but also high-income individuals with large amounts of debts that they don't need to necessarily wipe out, but just reorganize in a way that allows them to move forward with their business ventures or with their personal lives. Chapter 13 is a lot like Chapter 11, just on a much smaller scale. Chapter 13 allows people to catch up on payments that they've fallen behind on, but it also has a component similar to Chapter 7 in that some debts can be wiped out. In fact, the discharge from Chapter 13 is much greater than what you would get in a Chapter 7. So, which chapter is right for you? Give us a call, schedule an appointment, and let's decide that.